So there are certain loan apps, what they do to make money via processing fee. Every time you pay back and take a new loan or once again swipe that card, take new credit, they create a new loan account
with Sibyl. Wow.
So this way we have seen, couple of credit reports which have gone up to 600 pages.
You guys do Sibyl repairs for customers and companies. So let's talk about what kind of impact these loan apps can have on Sibyl, on your personal Sibyl. And if I don't have a credit history, I want to take a quick 5,000 rupee loan to start building my credit history. I mean, does all that work, or we should avoid doing it completely? Like, do they report to Sibyl? There's a lot of questions around Sibyl, right? So can you educate us a bit on that?
Now again, whether you're taking loan from a legal app or an illegal loan shark app matters.
Okay.
If you're taking this 5,000 rupees from loan shark app, credit score doesn't matter because they don't report to. Neither they are a regulated entity nor they are legal.
Okay.
Correct? No, they don't care. Why do you think they'll report to Sibyl?
Okay. So you're telling me
they're illegal.
If I take from these instant loan apps, which are probably illegal, it doesn't have any impact on Sibyl.
100%. The impact is on life. Forget about credit score. Now the impact is on life, literally. Okay. So if you're taking a loan from an authentic loan app, which is an NBFC, and it's also regulated, definitely they report your activity to Sibyl.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this more. Yeah. When I'm taking even from an authentic instant loan app,
correct,
which is a regulated NBFC,
correct.
What are some bad things which you have seen which happens on a Sibyl report in that case?
Right. So here, one of the major issues that we have seen is, so you might think that a certain product is a credit card. It does work as a credit card, but it doesn't work like a credit card from a credit report perspective.
So can you just explain?
So if I elaborate, so if you would have seen in your credit report, your credit card reporting its activity. Correct. Okay. You would have swiped certain amount, maybe 10 grand for this month. You would have paid within due date. There is no overdue. The overdue shows 0, and DPD, the late payments, is also 0. And the activity is going on, and there is only one loan account for that particular credit card. Correct. No? Having one single loan account number. So there are certain loan apps, what they do to make money via processing fee. Every time you pay back and take a new loan, once again swipe that card, take new credit, they create a new loan account
with Sibyl. Wow.
So this way we have seen, a couple of credit reports which have gone up to 600 pages.
600 pages?
600 pages, one single entity.
Okay.
Reporting, loan accounts and over loan accounts over loan accounts, month on month. It has gone 600 pages. You can imagine the impact on your profile. If you take this profile to a bank, he'll go mad. He'll say, boss, what is your age? He'll ask you. If you say 24, 25, he'll go mad in his head.
How have you taken so many loans?
How have you taken 600 page, long loan?
Wow.
This guy wouldn't even know that he has taken
the
so
case
many
which you had seen, how old was that guy?
I think in that same range, 24, 25. By the time he was 24, 25, he has 600 page,
that will
600
be how much?
long page.
Some 500 loans plus?
More than that, I feel. Easily. So this is one major issue is what we have seen with, particular apps. They are regulated. They are an NBFC.
What they're doing is also logically correct.
Logically correct. They are trying to charge processing fee from every
transaction,
every credit that a person is taking.
So credit cards, they'll just show the overall amount you're eligible for and your utilization.
Correct.
But this instant
loan it's a single.
It's a single amount.
Single
loan account.
Single account.
Yeah.
Single loan account.
But then what you're saying, someone who is swiping.
So a loan account gets created in the credit report. Next month when you pay back, it gets closed. Again, when you take credit,
are you comfortable sharing account. What was the name of the loan app?
I don't remember.
Okay. Guys, he sees lots of credit reports, so I can understand. So how does it adversely affect the Sibyl score?
Sibyl score, it might not affect because you're paying on time and closing it also on time. But it does affect in terms of your, the credit mix. But it's not a major impact. When I say credit mix,
so it'll be more like it'll be a small red flag for a banker that something is wrong. Why is it 600 pages? What you're saying?
For a banker, it's a kind of it's startling because in such short period, if one has taken 600 loans, basically 600 loans, so it's startling, no? I mean, this guy is desperate. I mean, how can one take 600 loans?
Yeah.
In his lifetime also, nobody will take 600 loans.
And I have a question for you. When something like this comes, can you get it removed from CIBIL?
No, impossible. Because it's a loan account, no? It's already reported, it's closed. How do you think you can remove it?
Okay.
It's impossible. The report is screwed.
So the credit mix is what gets affected, is what you're saying.
Credit mix is basically, a combination of secured and unsecured loans. If one has both secured as well as unsecured loans, his credit mix is stronger and he'll be scored on a positive note because he is able to manage both, secured as well as unsecured loans well, because he also has his skin in the game. Because if I'm taking a housing loan, if I do not pay, then my house is at stake. Correct, no?
Correct.
It's a risk that I am also taking.
Correct.
If it's an unsecured loan, if I do not pay, only my report profile gets screwed.
100%, yeah.
I might not be able to take a further loan. But my skin in the game is a bit on the lower side here. So that's where the credit mix matters.
So guys, this is how, these instant loan apps can affect your CIBIL score or your credit score. Normally, Nikhil also doesn't say this like having a credit card, but having a credit card over an instant loan app is actually a better idea. Correct?
Absolutely, no. Any day credit card is better than all these instant loan apps or instant cards or whatever the app card. At least you have to check the product. You forget about where you take it from. One, it has to be authentic. You need to cross-verify with the list whether it's authentic, regulated, NBFC or whatever. Second is, what is this product? What is the duration of this product? If the product says that the term is 1 month, then it's very clear that loan will be active for 1 month. They'll put a term also, no? They call it as key fact statement. I think we should highlight this fact.
Okay.
So whenever you take a loan, if you want to understand the product details, what is the interest rate, what is the processing fee, how the interest rates are calculated, and what is the foreclosure amount. If you want to close the entire loan in one shot, what is the foreclosure amount, what percentage? If you understand all those aspects, then now RBI has mandated all the regulated entities to publish key fact statement against all the products. It doesn't matter whether it's a credit card or a housing loan or a car loan or whatever, blah blah blah. So they'll put out key fact statement for your understanding.